So this is the spot, man. This spot is about 130 years old. As you can see, this door is very small because they were very small. You know what I'm saying? Back in the, 1800s. Got some clothes. I've been hiking, going through trails like mountains, all that stuff. You know what I mean? Just doing different stuff, being pushed out of my comfort zone. Very simple spot. Of course, I got the Normatec recovery boots any country I go to so I could recover after my workouts. Nice little table, simple couch. We really underground. This is where you go to hide. You know what I mean? I've been ducked off, man. I'm not hiding, but I wanted to get away from everybody, and nobody's gonna find me here in Iceland. I brought some light sneakers with me. Draw area, simple stuff. Nothing too fashionable this trip or crazy. I just bought the essentials. Like, I'm on the ground right now. This is the living room. They say this is where all the magic happens, right? And I apologize for the flickering because of the frame rate, but this is the bedroom. This is where they say all the magic happens. You know, I got the journal with me everywhere I go because I read my goals, I write my goals. Yo, this is literally the spot. I've got my basically bathroom sink, all of the essentials, fluoride-free toothpaste, aluminum-free deodorant. Y'all know me, I'm a health freak. You know what I mean? Got some light snacks. I got everything I need down here. Silverware, fridge, something calm, got some vegan cheese in there, some hummus, some berries, some vegan yogurt. Another fun fact, Iceland is the most expensive country in Europe, and it's also extremely vegan friendly. There's actually vegan supermarkets here. The entire supermarket is big as hell and is dedicated to just veganism. You feel me? That's the window right here. And by the way, this is the Icelandic currency. This is called the krona. That's the currency, Icelandic kronas. And you guys know that every country I go to, I collect the money basically. I was out in the Netherlands a couple weeks ago and I collected euros, you know what I mean? Like, I collected some euros out of the Netherlands. Got the stove. This is where we get the work done. I'm underground, but I'm still grinding. You know what I mean? Don't get it twisted. I'm still grinding. This right here is the bathroom, you feel me? They got it swinging like this. You know what I mean? With the hook nail, real humble. I love it. I love it, man. I was getting way too comfortable, bro. Way too comfortable. Like, seriously, like, back in the trenches. Ducked off, simple bathroom. You know what I mean? And, yo, this is it. This is how I'm living in Iceland. I really don't know how long I'm going to be here because when I travel, I book a one-way. I really don't care. And wherever I want to go, I go. I have that kind of freedom. But this is the spot right here. And this is how I'm living in Iceland, man. I want to encourage you guys, again, to travel to places that people don't normally go to. Challenge yourself. I'm mingling with people that I haven't met before in my life. Dealing with different cultures, learning, studying, appreciating, growing. In these past 2 months, my travels have taught me more about myself than ever before. I'm dealing with all types of people, and like I said, I will be building a cross-continental network. You know what I mean? So right now, I'm rubbing elbows with the Vikings of Iceland, you know what I mean? Nah, man, listen, thank you to everybody that supports the channel. But yeah, man, if you want to stay in contact with me, follow me on my Instagram, Dudley_E. All that stuff is linked down below. If you want to talk to me one-on-one, make sure to book a consultation. That's also down below. And also, if you want to know how I travel, whenever I want, how I do, whatever I want, how I have freedom and full autonomy over my life, enroll in my self-made master program, get active in the self-made master private Facebook group. Shouts out to the whole community in there. And we're creating a life of self-mastery and freedom, man. So appreciate all of y'all. Shouts out to all of you, man. I really, really, really appreciate all the messages I get and emails and all that stuff. I'm going to get back to you guys as soon as I can. But I've been on a real spiritual journey these past few months, dealing with everything that I've been going through. There's a lot of stuff in the background that I don't put on camera, rightfully so, but everything is great. I'm exploring, I'm traveling, and I feel fantastic, man. So appreciate y'all, man. I'ma holla at y'all in the next video. Keep grinding, stay hustling, man. Stay positive, stay abundant, and stay inspiring others around you.
few moments later.
Man here just have to go get into this white side.
I know. Listen, man.
Get into the white side, baby.
It's fucking 1 a.m.
Come on.
And it's daylight.
Give me some horrible dancing. Give me some horrible dancing.
Hit the dab on him. Hit the dab on him. Hit the dab on him. Hit the...
Hey! That's bad. That's bad.
It's fucking 1 a.m. and it's still daylight out here.
Hey, we're gonna.